Hey guys, hi people, you're welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Angie and this is my world. There is no two ways about it. It's my world and I need to excel in my world. Yes, I'm here to carry out an assignment being given to me by a very good friend of mine, a bosom friend at that. We've known each other for more than 20 years now. And it happens that we meet ourselves again in Europe. And we were like, sisters. Yes. And you know what? She has a YouTube channel called Ella's Mindset and Verbs. Yes. You need to visit that channel and know what she's up to. I know she's a beauty with brain. You got? Please visit her channel and see what she's up to. She has interesting things for people to enjoy. So do not forget to visit her channel. She challenged me to drink 2 liters of Coca Cola. Hello, Mello. Ask me. I don't know where to start from. I've been thinking about this for 1 week. And she's been calling me, Angie, you must do that. I said, oh my dear, I can do everything, but this one is too difficult for me. I don't like Coca-Cola. I'm not a Coca-Cola fan. I can drink 1 glass of Coke with lemon. But for me to consume this, my dear, is difficult. And do you know what? We don't even have this 1 liters. It's hard to get here. We have 1.25 liters. Is even more than 2, my sisters, and I brought 2. I don't know how to do this. Where can I start from? And I don't want to disappoint her. She drank almost 1 liters, and I don't know if I can challenge her. You know, the challenge is to drink 2 liters, but neno cola now. Me, I know the fit drink cola, okay? And she say I go drink and I no go bob anyhow. Person no go bed, he do drink this one where gas full inside. Make una help me and make una pity me. I say make I try my own. Even if na half I drink, okay. If I feel challenge her, reach 1 liters, it's very okay. If I can finish the 2, that means I don't win, or na him be that. Now to win, be the main thing. Okay, my people. Make una follow me. As I want do this one now. I don't they set my time, oh. They say for 10 minutes, I go take drink. Help me, oh. I don't know. As I want start now, everybody begin look your clock because I don't know where to start from. It starts now, okay? This is the time. In 10 minutes, I must finish these 2 liters of Coca-Cola. Yes. So, if you have your time, start now. Hello. Hello, me. Ebe ka ye video. I never even start. Oh, you don't they come up. Okay. My God. Who started this work, Seth? I want to enjoy it, oh. Ella no vex, oh. Who carried this assignment give you? Who started this? Who started this challenge? Big Kono. This one is not for me. Oh. It never even go down. And I'm getting tired already. Ella mindset, oh. Who gave you this work, oh? Oh, it's not easy. This one is one of the hardest challenge ever. My dear, you got to try this. To drink cola is not easy. It's not easy. Ewo. Don't mind me, I'm having my short natural hair. I know you'll be surprised to see my hair. I'm rocking my hair. So, guys, at the same time, if you have any good quality stuffs for the hair, for natural hair, I just want to see how far I can go with my natural hair. So if you have any tips on how to maintain my natural hair, please try and drop in a comment section. At the same time, I'm enjoying the hair and I want to carry it at least for next 1 year. Let me see how far I can go with my hair. Yes, drop these tips because I need to use good natural hair cream and a leave-in conditioner and stuff like that. So if you know any good one, do not forget to drop them in a comment section, please. I need it so badly. Even though it's not here, I can even order online because I want to maintain my hair. Yes. So I continue the journey. I'm going. It's only 3 minutes. You see? It's only 3 minutes plus. I can do this, so let's see. Let's see. It's 3 minutes, almost 4 minutes now. Let's see. It's hard. This is very hard. I don't think I can go more than this. Oh, I can't hold on, please, any longer. I can't hold on, please. At least I've tried a bit. It's not easy. It's not easy. It's not easy. Please, I won't carry these assignments now. Give to some other person. I want you to beat me down, okay? I hope you can drink up to 2 liters. Because me, it don't shock me for here. Self-love Chanel Victory. I'm calling on you. You have to take up from here. I want you to challenge me. Alice Queen family channel. Please, I want you to take it up from me. And again, I just want to call these 3 people. Financial lady, I trust you now. You're a strong woman. I know you can do this. I know you will beat me. I want to challenge you. Beat me down. I want you to beat me. Drink these 2 liters, please. Show me how to do it because it's shocking me here, please. And I can't go further than this. Thank you, my lovely people. I'm so sorry to disappoint you, but there is nothing I can do. There is nothing I can do. It's still coming up. The gas inside is too much. It's too much, my people. Please forgive me. This is how far I can go. I can't go more than this, okay? I want you to challenge me if you can do this. If you can drink up to 1 liters. If you can drink up to 2 liters. Please show me the way because I can't go more than this. At least this is 1 liter and 25. 1.25 liters is more than 1 liter. So if you can calculate it, my dear, I had at least 700. Yes, and I can't go more than this. Thank you for staying with me. Thank you for giving me this time. I love you. This is NG World. Leave your comment in the comment section. Subscribe, like, and share to your family and friends. Yes, you need to be part of this family. And I'm here to thank those that have been subscribing, those that have been sharing me out. May God bless you all. Thank you for joining me once again. Ciao.